We got another Haboob coming in. Just. Oh yeah, look at that. Me. Arizona. This is what we get in Arizona. Another Haboob. Fuck, the battery's gonna go dead. I might have to stitch this video with the next one. Really incredible looking storm too. I don't know if you can see that. Shit, man. I gotta walk home in that shit too. Yeah, well, it doesn't matter. We won't get hit with the storm that's behind it. It's still cool to look at, though. Look at that. It's reflecting off the clouds. Damn. Hey, you can't even see it. I need to get a new camera, dude. Or I should say, dudes. I'm at work. Everybody. And the dust storm, which you can't see anymore. Come on, adjust. Camera's not going to adjust anymore. So, I guess that's it. Just got white locked. I'll be back with another video. The fucking camera's not adjusting. I cough because of these. Okay. Time to